Dreams are like stars. As soon as one dies, another one gets brighter. Welcome back to my channel, The Traveling Jodi, and in today's wonderful USA adventure, I take you to NASA. So sit along and enjoy the journey. It's a bright and sunny day today. We all are excited to go to NASA, and we have Dad in the front seat driving the car, Jessica the navigator, and all of us are going to the Kennedy Space Center. So the weather is very good, and I'll show you parts of the journey. It's a 1 hour 20 minutes drive from Kissimmee area, and we're going towards the coast side, and let's see how the journey goes. We're excited to go to NASA. Hi guys, so finally after like a very long journey and a lot of things happened in between, we reached the Kennedy Space Center. We got diverted, maps showed us wrong way, we got stopped by a cop and whatnot. It was a little frightening experience, but then finally we made it to NASA. I never thought all this drama would happen, but anyways, cut to the chase, we have arrived at NASA. So we have So if you want to have we got the tickets online at another center. But if you want to buy the tickets, you have to come to this place over here. Let's get inside. Before that, there are some boomerang shots at the famous NASA globe logo. And let's see what else we have here. Follow along for more. As you can see, the queue is quite long all the way there. But we just want to check out whether it's a place we have to get tickets or we just enter in. But it just says enter, so I think yeah, this is the place where you just enter. It's quite exciting. Inside NASA, you have a ton of things to do, so make sure you come right at 9 o'clock in the morning. You have a lot of walking tours, you have a lot of attractions to see, you have the shuttle experience to experience, and you can meet an astronaut as well. So I suggest you to download their app and go to Trip Planner and create an itinerary for yourself there. I wish I had known this before, but this is the best thing that you can do while at the Kennedy Space Center. So there are multiple things that you can do. You get this map like this, and based on timings, we have decided to go to the Saturn station, where
Saturn 5 Center, where there will be a walking
tour. A lot of walking tours. You have to plan your day well. So what's the plan for us?
The plan right now is we're going to get into the bus over there, and then we will be going for one guide tour.
20-minute bus ride to the Saturn's station, and let's see what we get there. But we just found out that we have to visit the shuttle station because
shuttle launch experience. You get to experience. So we'll be sitting inside and experiencing natural shuttle launch. So we're excited to go.
Very excited for that. So let's go. Mom is super excited.
Yes.
And she says everyone should visit this if you come to Orlando. So you take a photo over here and you get a bracelet like this to collect your photograph at the end. I hope the prize is... Oh, there's another line. Oh my gosh. So there's a bus tour.
The more we learn about our universe, the more questions we have.
I'm Emily Calandrelli, and today you'll be following me behind the gates on this exclusive bus tour of Kennedy Space Center. Our journey will take us past active facilities and end at the visitor complex's own Apollo Saturn V Center.
But before we begin this journey, just like every NASA mission, our number one goal is to return home safe.
Rocket down there. That is a Mercury Redstone.
I'm inside the LCC with Charlie Blackwell Thompson, NASA's first female launch director. Now, Charlie, can you tell us a little bit more about what a launch director does?
Absolutely. The launch director.
That is approximately 220 square miles. So there's only about 7 or 8,000 of these acres that are developed. Everything else has been left natural for our wildlife. And we have over 400 different species of wildlife. Dead tree. We're getting closer up here. If you look through the clearing coming up here on the right, you can see what's left of the nest. There it is in the top of that dead tree right there.
So hi everybody, so we have come here to the space shuttle Atlantis, and here we're going to experience the simulated experience. So that is actually like the first few seconds of when the spacecraft actually goes. So it's going to be, it's not a thrill ride, but it's the actual real life experience. So I'm very excited to get into it.
So that's it from this video. I hope you had a great time. And if there's any takeaway from this experience, it would be to dream big and reach for the stars, because no dream is small. Until next time, see you. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And follow for more updates on our US journey. Take care.